In this video, I will be showing you how to add a new patient in Methasoft using the profile screen. The patient profile is used to store each patient's unique ID numbers and demographic information. Entering a new patient on the screen is the very first step when adding a patient to Methasoft. The patient ID number serves as the unique identifier for each patient in the system. Other IDs, such as state ID and insurance ID, are often referred to on various system screens and reports. The patient's home site, counselor assignment, demographic, and physical description information are all entered here for each patient on this screen. The Schedule button launches the guest dosing schedule screen for quickly entering guest dosing schedules for visiting patients. Site group settings allow patients to be subcategorized into customizable groups. These are used for filtering on various screens and reports. Monthly requirements tracking allows facilities to efficiently monitor each counselor's and patient's progress towards required monthly tasks. The additional information field allows users to document any other pertinent information for each patient. The Addresses button launches the Patient Addresses window for tracking any type of addresses tracked at your facility. The Select button launches a new window for selecting each patient's profile photo. Patients can also be deactivated or reactivated on this screen by unchecking the Active checkbox or using the Activate Patient button. By default, the Active checkbox will already be checked. Options like Enroll Biometrics and Print ID are also available, but we will be going over those in a separate video. For now, let's go ahead and add a new patient. We will start by clicking the New button at the bottom and then typing in the patient's ID number as assigned by the facility. For this example, we will use the patient ID 0001. Next is their first and last name, their social security number, their gender, their race, their marital status, and then you will type in their birthday. After that, we will want to choose what counselor the patient will be assigned to. We can then choose their modality, their employment status, their patient status, what drug screen group they will belong to, their driver's license number and state, and then we will choose any site groups they'll belong to. After that, you'll enter in the monthly requirements such as their drug screens or counseling units. To upload a photo, we will choose the Select option and then choose the image file to be used. After this, we can click on Save, which will bring up the Patient Addresses window. We will then need to enter all patient address information required by the system and your facility. The two address types that must be added according to the system are going to be the patient address as well as an emergency contact. If your facility requires other addresses, such as the address of their employer, you may go ahead and enter them now. If a patient's address is changed, you can choose the Addresses option on the patient profile screen to make any edits necessary. When all required address information has been entered, you can save and then close this window. You will then get a confirmation letting you know that the patient's info was saved successfully. This concludes our overview on entering a new patient into Methasoft. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding this process, please visit us at our website at methasoft.com or call our support line 877-538-5767.